Hi, everyone. Welcome to how to add or delete legal lands while keying a seeded acreage report online. If you can see this screen, I hope you can. We're now into the seeded acreage report, where at the top you can see the start of it. Once you scroll down, you'll see the questions, then you'll see your legal lands listed. Before you add or subtract any legal lands, please scroll through the legal lands that you have listed. You may think that they're not there, but they actually are. So check that out first. If you can't find them, then go to the tab button that says Search Land. Once in there, you'll see that you have bolded sections, part of the quarters of a section. So if you have multiple ones you want to add, the southeast and southwest, like you see here, you can then start to search for them. Then you put in the number, which is the section 1, the township, the range, and you also have to look to make sure whether it's the east or west of the meridian. Click the search button, and this will bring up the selections that have come up, or if you've keyed it in wrong, it may not bring it up at all. So if you want both of these legal lands, you just click the box at the front, and when you scroll across, you'll actually see that there's a crop share. When you add land, you can put the owned or rented, and then the crop share will always be 100%. So make sure when you do that you add owned or rented and then the 100 before you move forward. Then you click the add button right below, and this screen will stay open. If you had more land that you wanted to, you could hit the search button again. If not, you just hit the close to get out, and it will be pre-populated onto the seeded acreage report that you see coming forward now. That's as simple as it is to add land. If you make a mistake and you wanted to delete land, the remove land button is right on the top there as well. You can see the first one, the northeast of 1, 2, 3, has a stop where you cannot actually move. If you hover across above it, you'll actually see that it says it cannot be because there's actually a field already in it. Most times it's a forage field. So then if you still want to remove that field, you have to get out of this screen, go back to the seeded acreage report. You'll see the field that's grasses, and from there you can click on the 3 buttons, and it says to remove crop. So remove it, say yes. Then back up to the top, you'll see remove land. And that northeast of 1 now has the ability to put the check mark, remove land. And now it should be gone. So you'll have the other 3 fields that you wanted on your seeded acreage report, and you can move forward doing it. I hope this video helps you get through this easy step. Make sure it's done right before you go on. Check it over. Once you get through keying everything, you have the reviews and summaries to go through before submitting it, and that should be as easy as it is. Thanks, everyone. Hope everything goes smooth and it's a great growing season.